So are you
Okay,
doing them with?
I'm just going to keep doing it. I'm going to do them for a year.
Oh wow.
Okay, so I'm just going to try and keep it going for a year. I'll have 1 day's rest a month for a year. See how I get on. Okay, but I'm getting quick. I did all my 100 burpees in 6 minutes 20 seconds this morning. So
Wow.
it's I'm getting stronger and getting fitter. Okay, right, stand by. On the buzzer. Have I recorded? Yep. Okay, so we've got 100 burpees from Amit and Sukhi. Stand by. Off we go. Being stronger, mate. That's it. Go on, Sukhi. Keep it going. Okay, stand by. 18 seconds and we're off.
हाँ तुम्हारा पहले उसका दिखाओगे तो हाँ
Okay, off we go. Right, I'm going to start putting my tea on while I'm watching you two. Forgot I can move this laptop. It's portable. Okay, 8 seconds, you two. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Get ready. Off you go. Okay, 14 seconds. Three, two, go.
Oh.
Five seconds, get ready. Off you go. That's it, we're off.
Oh.
Go, well done, you two. Keep it going. Good effort, well done. Okay, 5 seconds, and we're off. Off you go.
Oh.
Brilliant stuff. Ooh, okay, keep going, boys. Start slow a bit. Okay, 4 to go. 3 seconds. 2. Off you go. That's it, mate. Just ignore it. Keep it going. Keep that body moving. Okay, 3 left, everyone. Sorry, 2 left. 2 left. Off you go. Okay, last one coming up. Last one. Okay, 5 seconds. Off you go. Okay, done. Okay, we're done. We're done. Okay, how did you find that? Do you think that was easier or harder than normal?
Getting a bit quicker now. That's the right side. Sorry for the so many noises which I was making. Sorry for that.
How did you find that, Sukhi?
Yeah, it definitely challenged me. It was harder than
Okay.
the normal burpees.
Oh, okay. Now you've all done it there, but I was doing 55 seconds there, so you weren't getting the full minute. All right, so I was doing 55 just to. Oops. Okay, so you're getting 55 seconds there, so you can gauge that how you want. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
no, definitely. I think I need to step it up. So I did
Yeah.
these ones with the whole throughout the whole 10, so
Yeah.
which was good.
Okay, remember that upper body is going to get a lot more if you just go on the floor. Just in fact, you're pushing yourself off the floor every time. Your chest and your arms are going to get so much stronger. Okay?
Yeah.
But, anyway.
Perfect.
And
Thank you.